Have you ever imagined turning simple bicycles into a powerful, unique vehicle? Today, we explore an invention inspired by ideas even top professors couldn't think of. A creative build that combines electric motors and everyday materials to form a one-of-a-kind car that breaks all traditional rules. Get ready to witness pure creativity, engineering, and innovation in action. Let's dive into this incredible homemade electric vehicle. If you love creative engineering and bold inventions, make sure to hit like and subscribe to support the channel, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss new builds. Your support motivates us to create even more unique and powerful machines. Now, let's continue and see how this incredible vehicle comes to life.